emergencies and fun. Himsen Battery is proud to introduce the Himsen 740 Pro, the world's first high-capacity power station with a swappable battery pack. It's super portable. You can take it anywhere on the go. It's the perfect companion for any outdoor adventure, road trip, tailgate party, or photography assignment. In a power outage or disaster relief situation, it's invaluable. Weighing in at only 15.4 pounds, it gives you a 740 watt-hour capacity, plus the ability to double that with the optional additional battery pack. The 740 Pro boasts the best capacity-to-weight ratio of any power station available. The 740 Pro was brought to life by Himsen's founder, C.K. Kim. While working for Apple as the senior global supply manager sourcing batteries and seeing the problems with gas generators, CK decided to use lithium-ion batteries to create the safest and most reliable power source in the industry, and 740 Pro was born. The aluminum alloy case is rugged and handsome, and with its user-friendly interface, the smart LCD screen keeps track of your power usage and your charging progress in real time. Below the smart LCD, you'll find 12 ports, including AC, DC, USB, car output, XT60, and Type-C. You can recharge the 740 Pro with 5 different methods, including solar panel, car, and dual input charging via AC and Type-C. With dual input, you can fully recharge your 740 Pro in just 2 to 3 hours, one of the fastest charging time devices on the market. You can also recharge it with a 240-watt solar panel in just 6 to 7 hours when used in full sunlight. Your car battery died? Don't worry, the 740 Pro is the only power station on the market with a car battery charging function. The 740 Pro conserves its capacity by steadily charging your dead car battery in just 15 to 30 minutes. This solves the issue of conventional jump starters, which can be damaged because they use an unsafe instant high current. You can charge your smartphone around 70 times, your laptop 10 to 12 times. It can run your 50-inch TV for 4 hours. With a 600-watt pure sine wave inverter, use it for sensitive medical devices like a CPAP unit, providing up to 52 hours of power. Got a mobile electric refrigerator? The 740 Pro will keep it nice and cool for 18 hours. Using a small drone, recharge it for over 30 hours. Also good news for hobbyists. The 740 Pro is one of the only mobile power stations featuring an XT60 port to power RC car and plane chargers for up to 20 hours of fun. This swappable battery pack is the first of its kind, and you can recharge it by car, solar, or AC, giving you continuous power. If you drain your 740 Pro, simply swap it out for a charged battery pack. This allows you to enjoy unlimited battery capacity. Perfect for outdoor adventures, power outages, disaster relief, or professional use in the field. The 740 Pro keeps you powered up wherever you go. Himsen Battery. We power your world.
What if you could carry your entire 4 terabytes of data in your pocket and connect all your devices to your MacBook at the same time? Meet TurboHub. With up to 4 terabytes of external expansion, you can back up and access all your data and media files, programs, and games from anywhere. So, it's an SSD storage device? Yes, but not only. Your all-in-one SSD storage hub ensures 950 megabytes per second blazing speed data transfers from any of your devices. So, it's a fast SSD. Even better, TurboHub brings back all the missing connectivity of your MacBook. It increases the number of ports on your laptop instantly, adding HDMI, USB 3.1, Thunderbolt 3, USB-C ports, SD card reader, and Ethernet connector. Forget all your annoying dongles. At times when you need a faster, way faster internet connection to play video games or stream 4K videos or simply keep your privacy, TurboHub has your back. Combining speed, portability, and design, it's the ultimate device you are looking for. Need an additional screen? Or 2? Connect them to your TurboHub and boost your productivity. Link your TurboHub to any laptop, tablet, smartphone, or other device and enjoy the lightning-fast connectivity. Increased capacity, greater speed, more flexibility. Get your TurboHub.
With the Google Assistant on Shield, you can ask for almost anything. Like, "Okay Google, play the best of Katy Perry."
Katy Perry? Okay Google, play some jazz in the kitchen.
You could also tell Google to order a large Hawaiian pizza.
Pineapple on a pizza? No thanks.
How about show me beach destinations?
More of a mountains guy.
See the San Francisco Giants score.
New York Giants.
Turn on the AC.
Heater.
Come on, man. I need this voiceover job. How about auto-tuning? Horseshoeing? Beard grooming? Beard grooming? Are you serious?
Well, I'm going on vacation. Okay, Google, show me some videos about beard grooming on YouTube.
Now with the Google Assistant on Shield and the SmartThings link, you're in control. Whoa, might want to postpone that vacation.
Okay, Google, staycation mode.
With Kodak, share them with the world.